Hi guys, NCWQ here, and there were two earthquakes off of Oregon today. The first one was a 4.1 and the second one was a 4.4. Both of them were 10 kilometers in depth. And we're going to look at the first one, which was a 4.1. And we'll put in our directions here and go look at the area where it hit. And now I'm going to have to say thank you to somebody else who posted this, because I had not noticed them. So you can see this first one is hitting along the East Blanco Depression. This is the cleft segment here. So this is the East Blanco Depression here. And this is the 4.1. So we'll look at the second one, and it was a 4.4. And we'll get this put into our area here and see how much further away it was, or if it was in the same place. And it just moved by a little bit, so it's also in the East Blanco Depression area. So this is where both of these quakes have hit. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well. Just a quick update, and thank you to the person who posted it. I appreciate it. Much love.